In order to do a comparison, of course, we need at least two objects, two files, two geometries. So we already loaded them, and we can show and hide them here, for instance, in the structure tree. Quick compare is the quickest method, especially also for very large assemblies. We also have the exact comparison, and you see the advantage of it applying transparency. You see differences much easier. We also can perform comparison of assemblies. So let's use the exact compare immediately and just use the default settings. Now with red and blue, with green and blue, we already see the differences. But if you would like to see it in a little bit more detail, we can also allow to section into the model. And for instance, here, let's say we would like to measure the distance between the blue and the green part here. So we take the edge measurement, and it shows us the difference of the two parts. Let's take another assembly, two versions of the same assembly, and we would like to do a structure comparison right now. Structure comparison is used for everything else except geometry. So we would like to see differences in terms of, attributes being changed, colors of parts being changed, maybe the volume of a part has changed, or any other kind of metadata. Maybe a part has been moved or removed or added. Maybe the file path has changed or the PMI has changed. All that can be highlighted. Now, if you feel that this is too much information for you and too many differences, then you can reuse the information in our table above here by simply unchecking some options and recomputing. Finally, let's do a 2D comparison. Just load 2D drawings and perform the quick compare, for instance, and you will see the differences.